So in our video, we're leveling up my wolf to level 100 because my wolf only stayed to level 84 because I leveled up when I wasn't in one of the chat. So I'm gonna go level up my wolf to level 100 in one of the chats. I only have a lot of levels to level up to 100. What just happened? Gotta be joined then. Bro. Something is happening to this red phone. It doesn't let me go into Wildcraft. This is super weird. I really wanted to go play Will of Chat and then it just didn't let me go to multiplayer. I literally clicked myself and then it just glitched. I don't know the reason. Eight out of 8. Both of them are locked. If I go here, it will not let me. I'm gonna try. One out of 8. Bro, wait. Bro, it's 1. I want to go with 1, but I will join the game definitely. If they leave, if someone else joined. What you get? Coins. Oh, we're gonna get a lot of it. Yes, a horse skin.
Yeah, guys. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at the gorilla.
I'm leveling up to my wolf to level 100, but okay.
Is that your house?
No. Yeah, that's it's not my house. This is a cave. Bro, there's so many. We're going there so we can hunt a little bit.
There's even birds. There's your bat friend.
Yeah, that's just a pet.
Yeah. It's
Spider.
look at this.
Oh, spider over there.
Spiders.
Spider's very strong.
I hate them.
This is my only legendary pet I have, so I gotta keep it. I'm sorry. And that's a very creepy spider, but her name is Nora.
Her name is Nora?
Yeah, it's a girl.
It has a very good name, but what the heck?
And she has the same hat as me.
Oh my god, I like that.
Wait, the hat. Let me tell you something.
I like the butterfly thing.
I had that skin at level last year.
Yeah, but now you're level 100.
I'm about to turn 8. Hi, spider. No, this is level 8.
there.
Hurry up! We got them. Now it's time for the lions.
Oh.
It's time for the lions, guys.
That's so it's because you know what are you doing.
I'm not over there.
As soon as you know
Everyone is going this way. Come on, idiots, this way. I don't even want to say that. But they don't even
say that. That's weird.
Yeah, but they don't want to follow.
Lion path.
Mad sheep has been.
That's another of the final bosses.
Yeah, the lion is the boss. I'm gonna click him because we're gonna all start killing him. I'm just waiting for everyone to come.
Okay.
No, those are lions. Oh, I died.
Lions are like yellow. They're not.
Do we start opening the chest now, or do I kill the lions? So
I should kill the lions first.
first, I'm gonna wait for my health to charge and my XP. Yeah, I died. You can read it here. Rose.
Yeah, another person died. Okay, they're running away now. Lions are like,
What did you want here?
they're like, what the
Me. Oh my god, I got a legendary skin!
hell, I know.
And I got the legendary skin. The mystic skin for the eagle. Letting die when their alpha dies. Let me see. I got more coins. I got more 8 coins.
Oh, you gotta pick glasses.
I got the glasses for the pet.
Yeah.
Game has now. German has now reached level 6-7.
Stop saying 6-7. I hate that. I don't like it. 6-7. It's like a stupid meme. Those are just numbers.
Yeah, they're just numbers.
Yeah, I want kids to come up to me and say like, oh,
I already passed that level.
You know what one kid said to me?
What?
So I was just like going. I wanted to buy some clay because I was gonna do something, and a kid came to me and said, "Look, you know what this finger does?" And I said, "Yeah." And I said, "Check this."
Oh. And then he showed the middle finger to you.
Yeah.
Or you just
I showed it to him.
Then he tried to attack you, say, karate.
No, he did not try to attack me. Why are you making up fake stories?
But I don't know what. He has 130 level. And he's 4th rank. I'm just stupid 3rd rank. Let me show you.
What are you rank?
I'm 3rd rank.
The 3rd?
I passed 1st and 2nd. I'm about to reach 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th.
8 is like the world's.
Come on! All dwarves! Come on! Wait! He just got this pet!
said something to us to